Hi friends, welcome to Gardening is My Love. In this brand new episode, I bring before you the money plant. It is known as pothos, Epipremnum aureum, devil's ivy. It's a popular indoor plant celebrated for its ease of care and attractive appearance. Its reputation for bringing good luck and financial success adds to its charm, making it a common fixture in homes and offices. It is native to Solomon Islands. The money plant thrives in tropical and subtropical climates. It is characterized by its heart-shaped, glossy leaves that can be green or variegated with white, yellow, or pale green. In its natural habitat, it can grow up to 40 feet long, but when kept indoors, it typically stays much smaller, making it suitable for hanging baskets or as a climbing plant with support. Now let me bring some of the benefits of the money plant. The first benefit is air purification. The money plant is known for its ability to purify the air by removing toxins such as formaldehyde, xylene, and benzene. This makes it an excellent choice for improving indoor air quality. Secondly, aesthetic appeal. With its lush green foliage, the money plant adds a touch of nature and beauty to any indoor space. Its versatile growth allows it to be used in various decorative ways. Low maintenance. This plant, incredibly resilient, can tolerate low light and irregular watering, making it ideal for beginners or those with busy lifestyles. Symbolic value. In many cultures, the money plant is believed to bring prosperity and good fortune. It is often given as a gift for housewarmings or new business ventures. Now, how do you care and maintain the money plant? Taking care of money plant is straightforward. Here are some of the tips. Light. While the money plant can survive in low light conditions, it thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Too much direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, so it's best to avoid placing it in harsh, direct light. Watering. Water the plant when the top inch of the soil feels dry. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so ensure that the pot has good drainage. In winter, reduce frequency of watering. Soil. A well-drained potting mix is ideal for the money plant. It can adopt a variety of soil types, but good for drainage is crucial to prevent waterlogging. Humidity. The money plant prefers high humidity but can tolerate lower levels. Misting the leaves occasionally can help maintain humidity, especially in dry indoor environments. Fertilization. Feed the plant with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks. During the growing season, reduce feeding in the fall and winter when the plant's growth slows. How do you propagate the money plant? One of the most rewarding aspects of the money plant is its ease of propagation. Here is how you can propagate. Firstly, cuttings. Take a stem cutting with at least 4 to 5 leaves and a few nodes. Water. Place the cutting in a jar of water, ensuring that the nodes are submerged. Soil. Alternatively, the plant cutting can be directly put in potting soil. Keep the soil consistently Dam until you see new growth. Common issues. In what? This can indicate overwatering or poor drainage. Ensure that the plant is not sitting in waterlogged soil. Pests. Keep an eye out of for common houseplant pests like spider mites and mealybugs. Wipe the leaves with a damp cloth and use insecticidal soap if needed. Leggy growth. Insufficient light can cause the plant to become leggy. Move it to a brighter location or provide supplemental lighting. Finally, it's a delightful addition to any indoor space, offering both aesthetic and practical benefits with minimal care requirements. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or a novice plant parent, the money plant's resilience and beauty makes it a great choice for enhancing your home environment. Thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. And also press the bell icon so that it will motivate me to come up with more beautiful videos on gardening. Thank you.